No? No, wait, is it recording when it says record? Oh yeah, it's recording.
Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. Slightly mad situation, people. We're getting a little bit of a pattern of records, international records coming back to us. And it's saying on here, undeliverable, please return to country of origin. Now I'm going to cover up the actual address, but you can see here what's going on. And the post office, not the post office, this is from Canada. And the person in question here is Dylan Rakowski, I hope I said that right. And also I've got one here, Vanessa Bloom, from Germany, and same situation. So guys, these are international tracked and they're also signed for, which means that if you guys are not in, it's going to go to your local sorting office. This is how it works in the UK. And what would usually happen is they'd leave us a card, not leave us, but leave you guys a card through your door, and you're supposed to take that card to your sorting office. So I'm pretty sure you guys already know how that system works, because if you're old school collector and you buy a lot of vinyl, then I assume you're already used to doing this sort of thing. But for some reason we've had 3 of them come back out of hundreds, so it's only a small percentage. But at the end of the day, I thought I'd make a video just to highlight that. We've also had Ben Sankey come back, and he's from Melbourne, Australia. Again, it's international signed, and the same situation happens here where it gets returned. So we're now going to have to repurchase some postage to get this out to you guys. Perhaps there's another address where somebody's going to be in all the time. If not, so you know, I appreciate some of you guys probably go out to work during the day and the postman comes to the door and knocks, and then no one's there, and goes, there's no one there, you know, let me just go. You know what I mean? Well, I get it, yeah. So peeps, get in contact with me if your name's called up here. Also, we are doing our best to make sure everybody gets all of their packages. There's been a lot of orders, we've had a lot of merchandise orders, so there's going to be a few little nicks and knacks along the way, a few little glitches. You know, like for IE, we're sending out a couple of badges, someone received 1 record instead of 2, etc, etc. So we're getting through all that now. We're going to wrap all that out. Rest assured guys, I've got plenty of records to go around, and I've even got a contingency plan where I've got a pile sitting there to replace records that have gone wrong, whatever stuff. I appreciate some stuff might get lost in the post, etc. So don't panic, peeps. If you don't get your record yet, I've got your back, so not to worry. Just these people at the moment, just get in contact with me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications down below, so that when I do my live streams and stuff, you guys get instant notifications. Sometimes I go online without notice. That's it for now, peeps. Take care, God bless, peace.